Hello everyone, myself Viraj Patel. I have completed my fourth task. Fourth task is exploratory data analysis of terrorism. There is a two problem statement. First, find out the hot zone of terrorism, and second one is what all security issues and insights you can derive by EDA. So first of all, I'm import libraries, then load terrorism data and print it. Then here I'm print the name of the columns, and after I'm looking for the null values. And here I am removing those columns which contains more than 80% null value and print the remaining one. So here I am print the remaining columns name. Here I am rename the columns as per my convenience. Then here I am removing unnecessary columns and take those columns which are necessary for the analysis. Here I'm print the shape of the data. So there is an 181,691 rows and 19 columns. Here I'm look for the null value. Here I'm plot heat map, which shows the correlation between the columns. Here I am count the number of attacks happened in every year, and I am also plot the graph for that. So from the graph, it says that the highest number of attacks happened in 2014. Uh, then after I'm plot the graph for top 10 affected countries. So the from the graph we says that the Iraq is the most affected country. Here I'm plot the graph for most affected states in the world. So from the graph we says that the Baghdad is most affected state. Then here I'm plot the graph for top 15 affected cities in the world. So first one is unknown, but the second one is Baghdad. Here I plot the graph for affected regions in the world. So the mostly affected region is Middle East and North Africa. Then here I plot the graph for the mostly used method by the terrorists for the attacks. So the bombing and explosion are mostly used. Then here I plot the graph for mostly used weapons by the terrorists. So the explosive are the mostly used for the terrorist activities and terrorist attacks. And here I'm plot the graph for the terrorist groups which are responsible for terrorist attacks. Then at last there is in conclusion. So hot zone. So most affected country is Iraq. Most affected state is Baghdad. Most affected region is Middle East and North Africa. Then security issues, less awareness of government and people. Then most of the attack is due to the bombing, which is the security failure, and the people are also responsible. And then inside is the most of the used weapon is explosives. So thank you for the listening.